Imagine a sun-drenched meadow bathed in the gentle warmth of morning light, where every blade of grass shimmers with possibility. The air is alive with the hum of countless tiny wings, a symphony of life that fills the landscape with energy and purpose. This is the world of the honeybee, each one moving with unwavering purpose from flower to flower, weaving invisible threads of connection across the meadow. Each bee is a marvel of instinct and dedication, performing a vital task with precision and grace, guided by ancient rhythms passed down through generations. This is a dance of life, a delicate choreography that sustains not only their colony, but also the entire natural world around them. They are the tireless gardeners of our planet, painting the landscape with vibrant colors and breathing life into every corner of the earth. Watch as a bee lands softly on a clover blossom, its legs dusted with golden pollen, a tiny artist at work, leaving traces of life wherever it goes. This single act, repeated millions of times by countless bees, forms the very foundation of their society and ensures the survival of countless plant species. They are part of something larger, a superorganism, a hive, where every individual's effort is woven into the fabric of a thriving community. Every flight, every collection of nectar, every return to the hive is a small but essential contribution to the whole, a testament to the power of unity. Their constant movement from blossom to blossom ensures the cycle of growth and renewal, allowing life to flourish season after season. The life of a single bee is short, often just a few weeks, yet its role is crucial in a cycle that has endured for millions of years, shaping the world as we know it. To truly understand the bee, we must look beyond the meadow and explore the hidden world of the hive, where secrets of cooperation and survival are revealed. Here, in the dim golden light, the next generation is born, nurtured by the colony, and the future of the hive is carefully forged, one tiny life at a time. Deep inside the hive, where sunlight barely reaches and the air hums with quiet activity, a remarkable process unfolds. In the nursery nestled within the hexagonal wax cells, life begins anew every day. The queen bee, the heart of the colony, reigns supreme. She's constantly attended by her loyal workers as she moves with purpose, laying eggs that will become the next generation of bees. She glides across the wax combs, carefully depositing each egg with astonishing precision, ensuring the survival and growth of her colony. Each tiny, glistening egg is a spark of potential, the very beginning of a new bee's journey through life. For 3 days, the egg remains still and dormant, protected within its cell. Then, almost magically, a larva hatches, wriggling and hungry for life. Helpless and blind, the newborn larva depends entirely on its older sisters, the dedicated worker bees, for warmth, protection, and nourishment. Nurse bees tirelessly feed the larvae a special mixture of pollen and honey known as bee bread, which is packed with nutrients essential for rapid growth. As the larva grows, it sheds its delicate skin several times, expanding in size and strength with each molt. After 6 days of constant care and feeding, the larva is ready for the next stage of its transformation, becoming a pupa. Inside a sealed cell, the larva spins a silken cocoon around itself and begins the incredible process of metamorphosis. Over the next 12 days, it slowly develops the features of an adult bee. First the eyes, then the legs, delicate wings, and sensitive antennae, all forming within the safety of the cocoon. Finally, after nearly 3 weeks since the egg was laid, the young bee chews its way out of the cell, emerging into the bustling hive, ready to take its place among its sisters. The cycle of life continues, seamless and unbroken, as each new bee joins the colony, ensuring the hive's survival and prosperity for generations to come. A new worker bee's life of service begins immediately. These female workers make up the majority of the hive. Their jobs change as they age, starting as cleaners. They prepare cells for new eggs or food storage, ensuring hygiene. After cleaning, they become nurses, tending to the young. They feed larvae and attend to the queen, ensuring future strength. As they age, they become architects, guards, or foragers. Foraging is the most dangerous job, but vital for the colony's survival. They work tirelessly until their bodies are worn out, a testament to dedication. At the heart of the colony is the queen, mother of all bees. Her influence extends beyond laying eggs. She produces a pheromone. This scent unites the hive, signaling stability and preventing worker eggs. The queen's presence reassures the colony, maintaining order. Worker bees form a royal court devoted to her care. Drones, the male bees, exist to mate with a new queen. They gather in drone congregation areas, waiting for a virgin queen. Their role is essential for genetic diversity and colony health. Drones live a brief life, ending in sacrifice for the colony's future. They are the flying suns, ensuring the continuation of their species. Bees have a remarkable communication system. A forager bee shares nectar or pollen sources through a waggle dance. This dance conveys complex information with precision. The waggle run direction indicates the food source's direction. The run's duration communicates the distance to the food. Other bees feel the dance's vibrations and movements. They also pick up flower scents from the dancer's body. This dance is the hive's central nervous system, coordinating efforts. It allows the colony to adapt quickly to changing conditions. The waggle dance is a silent conversation, binding the hive in purpose. In the honeybee world, life and death are linked to the colony's well-being. Worker bees face constant dangers, often dying in the field. Their bodies wear out from endless labor, a quiet end to devotion. A worker bee's barbed stinger is used only for defense. Stinging a mammal results in a fatal injury for the bee. This sacrifice protects the colony's future. Drones die after mating, ensuring genetic legacy. Unsuccessful drones are expelled as resources dwindle. Even the queen faces life and death struggles. New queens fight to the death, ensuring the strongest leads. Death is a necessary part of the cycle, ensuring colony survival. The life of a bee is a story of unity and purpose, a tale woven through the intricate dance of nature. Every bee has a role, from the diligent worker to the nurturing nurse, each contributing to the creation of a magnificent, enduring colony. The hive is a superorganism, a living entity that prioritizes the good of the many over the individual, showcasing the power of collective effort. This cycle of birth, work, and death ensures the colony thrives, a testament to the resilience and continuity of life. Bees teach us about cooperation and collective purpose, illustrating how teamwork can achieve what seems impossible alone. Their society is built on selfless service, a model for our communities, where the needs of the group are placed above individual desires. Bees are an essential part of the natural world, intricately connected to the environment, not separate from it. Their relationship with flowers benefits both, a perfect symbiosis that sustains ecosystems and supports biodiversity. Their struggles warn us of environmental challenges, urging us to take action to protect our planet. Bees remind us we are partners in nature, not masters, highlighting the importance of living in harmony with the world around us. Protecting them is a step towards preserving the circle of life, ensuring a future where both bees and humans can thrive together.